Okay, students, let's continue with the reading. Grandma, we want the moon here in our garden. Will you please help us get it down? Asked Kavi. Now, they both are requesting their grandmother to bring the moon down in the garden. You always say we can do anything. You always say that we can do anything if we really want to, said Shivi. Now Shivi is pointing here that grandma आप हमेशा कहते हैं कि हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं जो हम चाहें. So why can't we bring the moon here? Now let's see, students, what grandma does now. Grandma laughed and said, "Let us think how we can do that." She thought for a while. Now grandma started thinking in her mind that how to do that. What to do, students? To bring the moon in the garden. She thought for a while. Now she started thinking and she thought for a while. वो कुछ समय के लिए जो ग्रैंडमा है वो सोचना शुरू कर देती हैं. Then she clicked her fingers. Idea, she said. Then she clicked her fingers. वो जो है अपनी फिंगर्स को क्लिक करती हैं और उनके माइंड में एक आइडिया आता है. What now? She went into the house and came back with a large round steel ball. She brought from the house? She brought a round steel bowl from the house. Now let's see, students, what will she do with that bowl? Shivi and Kavi watched her curiously. So this is a new word, student. Shivi and Kavi watched her curiously. Curiously. Here curiously means when you are eager to know. जब हम किसी चीज़ को जानने के लिए बहुत इच्छुक होते हैं, that what will be there. तो यहाँ पर both the sisters they were curious. They were curious to know कि why grandma has brought that steel bowl from the house. कि अब वो क्या करने वाली हैं. तो both the sisters they were very curious. Grandma put the bowl on the grass. Grandma put the bowl on the grass. She filled it up with water. Grandma जो है वो बाउल को ग्रास में रख देती हैं और उसके अंदर जो है वो वाटर फिल कर देती हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी विद दिस पिक्चर दैट हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. देन शी सेड, लुक इन द वाटर, Kavi and Shivi. Now you can see, students, this is an image of moon. The girls looked into the bowl of water. The beautiful moon shone in the water. Now what happened? That bowl of water that works as an mirror. Students, as we see an image in the mirror, just like that, that water is here now depicting a mirror. तो जैसे हम मिरर में अपनी इमेज को देखते हैं वैसे ही जो वाटर है उसमें मून की इमेज शो हो रही थी. सो बाय दिस एक्ट ग्रैंडमा नाउ is able to get the moon down in the garden. You can see, students, you can see the pic of moon also. Wow, the moon is in our garden now. Now both the sisters they become very happy कि अब जो चांद है वो हमारे गार्डन में है और अब हम उसको देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू. वेरी पोलाइटली दे thanked grandma for this. Grandma, we love you, they added. Now at the last they thanked their grandma just to bring the moon into their garden. This shows that they both love each other and how beautifully with the idea grandma helped them to bring the moon in the garden. So there is one question of GK also, students. In July 1969 Neil Armstrong became the first human to land on the moon. So he was the first man who landed on the moon. So I think you must have enjoyed the story, students. Now all of you will read it twicely or thricely. Okay, students. Thank you.